So income statement and statement of cash flow is the part of financial statement of a company. In order to understand the financial position of an organization is a large multinational organization or a small or medium, financial statement are prepared. Financial statement helps the user to make decision in the company, for example taking loans or from the bank, or a financial statement take a decision about whether to give a certain company to for the investment, or a state of determination whether the company is worth investing, or it's similarly there are users of financial statement, both internal and external, to make important decisions. Thus major source and uses of cash: BHP Limited as dividend received, interest paid are users, purchase of property, then plant and equipment, and dividend payments. The major source of cash for BHP Limited are the dividend, and the company has received the largest dividend being received in 2018 is $709 million. The use of cash for BHP Limited: interest paid, the amount for which is 2019 is 1.349 million. Similarly, the investment in property, plants and equipment is another use in 2019, amounting $6.25 million, which is increase in dividend payment in 2019. Then other major sources are receipt from customers and drawdown from borrowing. That Santos Limited major sources for cash for the receipt from customer amount is $4.2 million in 2019, and the second major source of cash in the withdrawn from borrowing. The uses of cash for Santos Limited, which is the payment for supplier and employees, around $2 billion, which is the acquisition for the subsidiary is amounting 1.93 billion in 2018. Then major source of uses of Fantastic Limited are: Fantastic Limited source of cash is the receipt from customer in 2019 was $31 million, and it's also borrowing in all year, which is a major source of cash. And lastly, the company also went for share issue, which is a source of cash. And the uses of cash is Fantastic are payment to supplier and employees, interest cost being paid, purchase of the property, plant and equipment, and replacement and borrowing the commercial bill. Trend of cash flow from counting operation is trend you can see. Then the trend for BHP counting operation flow has been increased impact, but the increase has started to diminish. The company saw a jump in operation cash flow of approximately 11% from 2017 to 17.5 million, and then downfall from 2018 around 17.3 million. Then Santos Limited has seen an increased trend in operation cash flow, and its witness is in all year. In 2018, the company had an increase of 26.3% in its operation cash flow, and the following year the company witnessed a growth of around 30% in its operating cash flow. Then Fantastic Limited has its decreasing trend, and its operation cash flow, the net outflow has been increased throughout the year, throughout the 3 years period, and the net operation cash outflow from the increase by 270% in year 2018 to $10 million. And the year 2019, the net outflow was decreased at $8 million. Then we'll talk about BHP Limited profit before tax cash flow from counting operation. Then operating activities, our profit before taxation was 15,409 in 2019 and 11,137 in 2017. For the year 2019, BSP had a profit of $15 billion and cash flow from the operation was $23 billion. The difference between two in because of the adjustment they have to be done in order to reconciling the profit and with the cash flow. These include the major adjustment of depreciation and expenses, which in year 2019 amount $5.8 billion. Similarly, the net finance cost are the adjusted and has resulted in a positive cash flow from operation. On other than that, has been similar cash flow various nature which has reconciling the profit with the cash flow in the operation, as there are many major adjustment related to depreciation and the net finance cost. Cash flow from operation and capital expenditures are BSP Limited has a net cash flow of operation 17 billion in year 2019 and 18 billion in 2018 and 17 billion in 2017. Similar, the capital expenditure for BSP Limited involves purchase of property, plants and equipment and 7.1 billion in 2018, 5.8 billion in 2018 and 4.6 billion in project. The capital expenditure of Centers Limited are the payment for purchase for exploration and evaluation assets. Cash flow from operation and dividend. The dividends paid by BHP Limited, both shareholders and non-interest amounts from up to 12.6 billion in the year 2019 and 6.8 billion in year 2018, 3.5 billion in the year of 2017, where the cash flow for the operation of BHP was 259 billion in 2019, 73 million in 2018, and the cash flow operation of Centers Limited was sufficient to cover the dividend payment. Working capital of BHP Limited was BHP Limited has taken into account working capital change in the cash flow as a source and uses of cash in regard. The major use of cash in the trade of receivable, which is indicate that the company extended its credit period resulting in cash outflow. Similarly, investors was a source of cash in 2019 and use of cash for 2017 and 18. Lastly, trade and other payable have been source of cash throughout the 3 years period indicated and extended credit line from the supplier. Trend of capital expenditure. The capital expenditure trend for BHP Limited has been increased trend, with this the expenditure gradually increase in a year of on year basis. So it was 3.7 billion in 2017 and stood at 6.25 billion in 2019, which is around 70% increase. Then trend of dividend is BHP Limited has been paying dividend consistently, and Centers Limited had paid only for the year of 2018. BHP paid a dividend of 12.5 billion in 2019, indicated an increase of 85% of previous year, and similarly in 2018, which the dividend grew by 94% and 5.2% billion. Trend of net borrowing is the trend in net borrowing for BHP Limited is that in the year of 2019 BHP has made net repayment of 2.3 billion, and this was a reduction of 35% from 2018, and similarly it had made around 3.6 billion in 2018, which is indicate a 33% of decrease. Then financial strength and trending. BHP Limited positive cash flow from operation, managed debt level, dividend payment and account payable. Then Centers Limited positive cash flow from operation, investment activity, treasury shares, and dividend payment. Then Fantastic Limited negative cash flow, high level of debt, and external financing. Ideal candidate for lending was BHP Limited. Yeah.